వస్తుందా? సో వాయిస్ చెక్ జరా. వాయిస్ క్లియరా? జస్ట్ 2 minutes. రాజ్ ఓకే. నాకు హ్యాండ్ అవుట్ అభిలకు Chalo, good evening everyone. So how are you all? Today we are discussing one of the important session. You know, importance of CSAT paper. See, from the last 3-4 years, what is happening in, especially in second paper. In 2023, it was the toughest paper actually. From 2021 onwards, 21, 22, 23. Last year it was bit better compared to 23 and 22. So paper level is little bit increased. Okay. So in this discussion, I'll tell you some more, important points, and also I'll tell you for this 2 months what type of strategy is required. Okay. Even you can clear this exam without using English comprehension also. Why? Because I am saying like this, quant and reasoning accuracy is very good compared to English comprehension. In 2023 it was only English was easy, but in 2024 what happened? Quant and reasoning is bit easy, but in 2024 English was very tough. Options were very confusing. Many are able to get only 50% of accuracy. And in 2023, some prepared like this. They studied reasoning part. Okay, they didn't prepare quant. They studied English and reasoning. In 2023, this was the biggest lesson. What happened in the exam? Actually, what is the weightage for these 3 subjects? Quant and reasoning, you will get 53 questions. Okay. English, definitely you will see 27 questions. In quant and reasoning, again weightage is 27 plus 26. But in 2023, what happened? Reasoning, they gave only 14 questions. Only 14. Okay. And remaining almost 40 questions, 39 to 40 questions they asked from quant. English weightage first, it is fixed 27. Those who studied these 2 got the problem, and that too, out of these 14 questions, 5 questions are completely based on again quant concepts. See, for example, today is Sunday. This question asked actually. Today is Sunday. What is the day on? What is the day on? 10 power 10th day. Many studied calendars topic from reasoning. This is actually topic called calendars. What is the concept in calendars? Finding the odd days. What is the odd days concept? Normally, for example, Sunday plus 65 days, what is the day? We cannot go manually. After every 7 days, they will be repeating, right? So, 65 is divided by 7, we will find the remainder first. 7 nines are 63, remainder is 2. It means instead of Sunday plus 65, you can take Sunday plus 2. Simply, answer is Tuesday for this example. But when you see this big value, 10 power 10 divided by 7, what is the remainder? Again, this topic is related to this quant, especially number systems. They are unable to solve this. And one more problem in reasoning is, for example, topics like series, cubes, coding and decoding. Coding and decoding is bit easy. We have to get the logics within seconds. Say in series they will give 5-6 numbers, right? They'll ask what is the next number. If you get this logic, how these numbers are related, interlinked, if you can able to find that logic, then only you can find this number. This is also unpredictable topic. There is no guarantee to get the score here. That's why out of all 3 subjects, quant is always the deciding one. Quant is always best compared to other 2 in terms of accuracy wise. If you are good in concepts, you will get the answers in quant. That is very simple. But you have to study all the concepts properly in quant portion. And again, I am saying, in not only in 2023, from the last few years, number systems is the deciding chapter. In 2023, they asked some 21 questions only from this chapter. Okay. And in 2024, they asked 19 questions only from this chapter. Only from one chapter. Okay. Why they are focusing on number systems from the few years? Any reasons? Any reasons for this? We should know what is the mentality, mindset of UPSC also before starting this preparation. Why? Because I'll tell you, UPSC exam, CSAT exam is based on concepts and based on common sense. It is not based on formulas. If you can remember 2 or 300 formulas, there is no use at all. And also, UPSC will never check your speed calculation skills. They will never check this. They will never check this. That's why other background people also, like arts background people, lawyers, medical students, doctors, they are able to clear this exam. Even in 2023 also they cleared this exam. I am not underestimating anyone, but they cleared the exam. At the same time, why engineering students failed? Many failed actually because they by-hearted so many formulas. They thought only speed calculation skills are enough. This is completely wrong. CSAT exam is bit different from other exams. Same topics you will see in SSC, banking, CAT exam also, like percentages is there, profit and loss is there, time and work, every chapter, everything is same. But same strategy will not work. They will test your concepts. One more thing, if you depend only on previous year questions, that is also big mistake. Because every year questions are changing. 22, 23, 24 questions are changing. But when your foundation is solid, when your foundation is very good, like you are good in concepts, that is enough to clear this exam. Previous year questions will help you to understand what are the relevant questions, for that only, not to clear each and everything. Okay, is it clear? And one more thing, out of 53 questions in quant and reasoning, definitely 12 to 15 questions are completely out of the box questions. They won't copy from any book. They will create some questions here. So these questions, to get the answers, it depends on your hard work, your common sense, your presence of mind in the exam. These many factors are there. But remaining 40 questions, 38 to 40 questions you can easily answer. Most of the questions will check your only concepts and common sense. Sometimes you can easily eliminate options also. I'll tell you some questions today. We will discuss. Okay? Apart from concepts, common sense, this mental stability also required here. Mental stability means when you look at these questions, 12 to 15 questions which are out of the box, okay, you should not get any nervousness. Just leave them. If you solve 40 questions with good accuracy, you can easily clear this exam. Just leave it. Don't go with ego. Don't go with ego. That's all. Leave it. One more point. Sometimes we can easily judge the questions based on their size. See, they'll give a single line question like this. Another question is maybe contains 6 to 7 lines. You will think this one is easy. It is not like that every time. I'll show you one question in reasoning. We never get the answer within 5 minutes also. But question is only given in single line. Big questions, they are easy sometimes. So never judge the questions based on their size. Read them first. If it strikes, then try to solve the question. That's all. Okay. Today I'll discuss some number systems questions because it is very important. I'll discuss questions, previous year questions along with some concepts. Okay. What is the syllabus in number systems? It's a big chapter. I forgot to mention this. Why they are focusing on number systems? Why? Because concepts are more, that is okay, but there is a more scope to check your common sense skills only in this chapter. They won't give questions from compound interest. Why? Compound interest, mensuration, geometry, all these chapters depends on formulas. That's why they are not giving questions. Even this year also, they have to focus on this chapter only. There is no option for them. Okay. This is the syllabus in number systems, like basic classification. What are the numbers types, like integer, prime numbers, even numbers, properties, all this. Then divisibility rules, some basics in squares and cubes. Indices sets means this one. 2 to the power of 300, 3 to the power of 200. Which number is bigger one? And cyclicity. This is one of the very important concept. Finding the unit digits. Say for example 2 to the power of 2025. How to find last digit here? This topic. Finding the number of zeros at the end. This is another important concept. Number of zeros means, say for example 5 power 50 into 2 power 100. These two numbers multiplied. In the end, how many zeros you will get? This concept. How to get 1 0? Take 5, take 1 2. 5 2s are 10. One pair of 5 and 2 will give 1 0. If you take 2 pairs, you will get 2 zeros. If you take 10 pairs of 5 and 2, you will get 10 pairs. That's all. 10 zeros. In this example, how many 5s are given? 50. How many 2s are given? 100. But how many pairs of 2 and 5 will be there in this example? 50 and 100. It is 50. 50 pairs are there. See, number of 5s are 50. Number of 2s are 100. How many pairs of 5 and 2 are generated? Only 50. So answer is simple. In this product there will be 50 zeros. So we have to count how many pairs are given in the expression. This concept. And the next one is factorization. In 2022 they asked one question, 15 into 14 into 13 into so on up to 2 into 1. How many 3's are there? Is equal to 3 power m into some n. They are asking how many 3's are there. How to get 3 here? 3, 6, 9 means 2, 12 means 1, 15 means 3 5's are, 1 more 3. But okay, this is you can count manually. If 150 factorial is given, then it is bit difficult, right? We'll discuss these concepts. How to find number of 3's in big numbers like 150 factorial. I'll tell you simple shortcut. Okay? This topic is factorization. Again, very important concept in entire number systems. Every year they're asking 2-3 questions. Reminders in larger powers. 2 to the power of 192 divided by 6. What is the remainder? This concept. You can solve these questions without using any formulas. Last one, HCF and LCM, highest common factor and least common multiple concept. Okay? There are some miscellaneous concepts also we'll discuss. Clear? I'm assuming you started some preparation. Already you know basic number systems. Okay? Examiner point of view, we'll discuss some questions now. Chalo. Everyone get ready for this. Chalo. Look at the first question. What is the sum of this series? 2 square, 4 square up to 20 square is given. There are 3-4 basic formulas are there. We have to remember them. This question is completely based on formula. Can you try this? I'll give 30 seconds time. Online people, question is visible, right? If you have any issue, please post in the comment box. One, 2, 3 up to n. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Very good. 1 square, 2 square up to n square. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 1 cube, 2 cube, sum of cubes. First and last almost same. Just the same formula, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. We use which formula now? Second one. But what is second one? If there are consecutive numbers, then only you can use this formula. But what is given in the question? 1 square is not given. 2 square, 4 square, 6 squares, even numbers given directly. Then what to do? Simple. 2 square is common in every number. This is 2 into 1 actually, so 1 square. This one is 2 into 2. 2 square is already removed. It is 2 square. This one is 2 into 3, right? 2 square is left, 3 square. So what is the last number? 10 square. So 4 into, just find out what is that value. 1 to 10. It means in this formula, n value how much? 10. N value is 10. 4 is common. So 10 into 10 plus 1 is 11. 2n plus 1 is 10 2s are 20. 21 by 6. Simplify this. 2 3s are 2 5s are 3 7s are 4 5s are 20. 11 7s are 77. What is the answer? 77 twice 154. So option B. Option B. Very good, everyone. Actually, we don't discuss much formulas, but these three are fundamental formulas. We use them for many times. Try to remember, okay? Chalo, next one. Excellent question. One second. Yeah. Chalo. Try second one, everyone. Any answers? Is it 1? Is it 1? First, try to understand the question. There is number x. When it is divided by 6 or 8, gives remainder 3. At the same time, there is another number y. When it is divided by 6 or 8, gives remainder 2. They are asking, what is x minus y? See, it is divided by 6 or 8. Means something common multiple related to common multiple. What is common multiple of 6 or 8? 6 and 8 common multiple LCM. Is it 24? Should tell. What is the common multiple of 6 and 8? There are many common multiples, but focus on least one. What is the least one? 24. So x is 24 plus 3. Y is 24 plus 2. What is the meaning of remainder? Extra part. Extra part, that's all. They are asking x and y difference. What is 3 minus 2? 1. So 1 is the answer, option A. Okay, just 3 minus 2. X minus 5 means 3 minus 2. Answer is 1. This much also not required actually. When 3 is divided by 6, what is the remainder? 3. When 3 is divided by 8, what is the remainder? 3 only. Because these two numbers are big compared to 3. They won't divide 3. So what is there means 3 will be there. It is called remainder. So x is 3. You can take x is 3, y is 2 directly. Difference is 1. But they mentioned this greater than 2, greater than 3. That's why we are going with the common multiple 24. Okay. This one, excellent concept. Every year they are asking questions. Okay, first I'll revise the concept, then you can try. Okay, now I'll revise once. When there is a 2-digit number, something xy, what is the reverse number? Yx. They're talking about interchanging the digits. Okay, reversing the digits. There is a property. For example, number is 32, reverse number is 23. If you take the difference, here in this example difference is 9. One more example, 41 and reverse number is 14. What is the difference here? 27. 82, 28. What is the difference? 54. What is your observation? Difference between a 2-digit number and its reverse number is always a 9 multiple. We should remember this. It is always a 9 multiple. What is the exact proof? Number is xy, so its value is 10x plus y. What is this 10x plus y? Why we are multiplying with 10? Actually 53, a number 53 means it is 10 5s plus 3 into 1s. It is tens digit multiplied by 10. It is units digit multiplied by 1. If it is hundreds a digit is there, then it is 2 into 100. That's why 10x plus y. What is the reverse number? Yx. 10y plus x. What is the difference here? 10x, x, 9x, y, 10y, 9y. So 9 into x minus y. See, difference is always equal to 9 into something means 9 multiple. 9 into something means 9 multiple. Okay, na? What is given here? When digits are reversed, the number is increased by 27. Increased by, decreased by means actual number, reverse number, difference is given. Difference, it is difference. So 9 into x minus y is equal to 27 in this example. Difference is given. It is not a 2-digit number. So 9 into x minus y equal to 27 means 9 3 times. What is x minus y? 3. This is the first important result. What they are asking now? Sum of such 2-digit numbers. I'll tell you One example, say number is 63, reverse number is 36, now difference is 27. 36 is changed to 63 so that value is increased by 27. This is one such number. But how many numbers you can remember like this? It is not a correct method. It is not easy to guess the numbers like this because I know answer, I am guessing. This is the actual method. X minus 5 is equal to 3. What is the meaning of this line? What is the meaning of this result? What are X and Y? Digits. Digits where? In the number. So difference between them is 3. That's why I am taking 36. What is 3 and 6 difference? 3. So like this you have to write down some numbers in order. First number 14. When 14 is changed to 41, its value is increased by 27. This is one example. Second example, 1 becomes 2, 4 becomes 5. 25. Just try to maintain the difference is 3. Maintain the difference 3. Next example, 36. Next example, 47. Next one, 58. Next one, 69. These many numbers are there. They are not asking how many numbers are there. How many numbers are there means you will say 6 numbers. They are asking sum of the numbers. Add all the 6 numbers, just get the answer. Don't add all the numbers directly. Just check unit digit. What is 4 plus 5? 9. 9 plus 6? 5. 15 means 5. 5 plus 7? 12 means 2. What is 2 plus 8? 0. 0 plus 9? 9. Unit digit is 9. Option B. Unit digit is 9. Suppose this option is given like 239. This is also ending with 9. Then we have to find exact sum or else not required. See, here answer is not important. This approach, this concept is important. Try to remember this. Difference is always 9 multiple. 9 into x minus y. I'll write for 3-digit numbers also. You can note down. X, Y, Z. 100x, 10y plus z. Reverse number. ZYX, 100z, 10y plus x. What is the difference? 100x, x difference is 99. X. 10y, 10y cancel. This one is 99z. So 99 is common. X in minus z. What is this? Difference between a 3-digit number and its reverse number is always equal to 99 into x minus z. Means 99 multiple. Note down these two. Concepts are important than questions. Then chalo. You should get one doubt here. Why we are taking only 14? Why we are not taking 41? 41 minus 14 how much? 27 only. Why we are not taking 41? Because when 41 is changed to 14, its value is decreased by 27. They mentioned this. Value should increase. That's why we are taking these numbers. 14 is changed to 41. This is the real number. 25 is changed to 52. This is the real number. If they mentioned decreased here, then your numbers are not this 41, 52, 63, these numbers. In that case, answer will be different. Okay? In number systems, many neglect this concept. See, I'll tell you with example. Just 32 divided by 5. What is 5 6 are 30, remainder is 0. You can write like this, 32 is equal to 5 into 6 plus 2, right? What is 32? It is called dividend. What is 5? Divisor. What is 6? Quotient. What is 2? Remainder. So note down this equation. D is equal to dq plus r. We get questions based on this equation also. It is very simple equation. That's why we neglect actually. But don't neglect this. What is quotient? What is remainder? What is divisor? What is dividend? This is the simple example. Sorry, remainder is 2 here, okay? Any answers, please? You got the hint, right? Before solving CSAT questions, these questions are also important. These are the foundation questions like other exams questions, CDS, EPFO, assistant commandant questions. They are also giving 20 questions minimum every year. Online people, answer please. Okay. N is divided by 17. What is quotient? 182. So n is equal to 17 into 182. This is divisor. This is quotient. It is not simply this number. There will be remainder also. What is the remainder? We'll see. Okay. Next information. Difference between quotient and remainder is 175. Quotient Q and remainder difference is 175. From this, what is remainder? Q minus 175. Quotient value how much? It is given, right? 182 minus 175. How much it is? 7. Remainder is 7. So n equal to 17 into 1. Don't waste your time by multiplying these two numbers. Okay, just leave it. This is required in the exam. 7. We got complete equation now. Okay, what is 7 2s are? 14 means 4. What is 4 plus 7? Last digit 1. What is the answer? C. Wait for some time. Don't multiply these two. You'll get the answer. When more than one option is giving same unit digit, then only we will do complete product. Chalo. Next one. Finished? Everyone? One of the important topic in number systems. Which one? Divisibility rules. There is 88 number divided by 88. What are the possible values of x and y? 88. We don't have any direct rule for 88, right? There is no direct rule. What is the method? Divide this 88 in terms of product of co-primes. What is the meaning of co-prime? Any two numbers without any common factors. No common factors means co-prime. Don't write 88 equal to 22 4s are. This is also 88, but these two are not co-prime. Leave it. When this number is divided by 8 and also divided by 11, then only it is divided by 88. This is the rule. If it is to be divided by 88, it has to be divided by 8 as well as by 11. Okay? We need to find x and y values. What is the divisibility rule of 8? What is the divisibility rule of 8? Today class is till 9 p.m. then. Divisibility rule of 2. Last digit must be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the divisibility rule of 4? It is 2 power 2. Last two digits should be 4 multiple. 2024. 24 is 4 multiple. 8 rule. 2 power 3. Last 3 digits must be divided by 8. What is the rule of 16? 2 power 4. Last 4 digits must be 16 multiple. This is the rule. Rule is common for all the 2 powers. Now we need for 8. Chalo. Last 3 9 xy should be divided by 8. Divided by means remainder must be equal to 0. We don't know both the values. How to guess the values of x and y? Why options given? Substitute the options. What is first option? 1, 2. So in first case, what is the number? 912. If it is divided by 8, check this. If remainder is 0, then more chances for this only. What is the remainder? 8 table. 8 11s are 88. 91 minus 88, how much? Huh? 3. 32. 8 4s are 32. You see, it is divided. So, chances for this. What about other numbers? B, 922. No. 92, 88, 42. 42 is not divided by 8. Leave it. C, 936. 56. It is divided. 56 divided. 8 sevens are how much? 56. C and A, both are chances. What about last one? 944. What is 944 divided by 8? This is also divided. Now complicated question it is. Okay, we cannot answer this question within a minute. Chalo. Next, what is the rule? So actually applying 8 rule is, I think, useless. We are wasting time. Okay. What is the rule of 11? Alternate digits. Alternate digits. Sum. Alternate digit sums difference must be equal to 0 or 11. Must be equal to 0 or 11. Sum of the alternate digits 7 plus 9 plus 5 plus x. Other sum 8 plus 4 plus 9 plus y. 7 plus 9 plus 5 how much? 21 plus x minus 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9 how much? 21 plus y is equal to 0. 21 cancel. X minus y equal to 0. X equal to y. Where is x equal to y? In option A, in option C, in option D. Where is x equal to y? D. This is the answer. Not B. 922 is not divided by 8. Option B already eliminated. No need to check this. Okay, no problem. If you can spend 1.5 minute, 2 minutes, if you get the right answer, no problem. What is that? We need to solve only 40 questions in exam with the 100% accuracy. 3 minutes for each question. 43 is a 120 minutes. But we read other questions also. Take 2 minutes. Chalo. Finished? Big question now. Don't worry. Consider the following statements. If n is a natural number, n into n square plus 2 by 3 is also a natural number. We have to check this. They'll they'll create any equations here. No need to by heart anything. Spontaneity is required. Spontaneity, presence of mind. They said n is a natural number. I'll take n equal to 1. So first one, n into n square plus 2 by 3, right? 1 into 1 square plus 2 by 3. What is 3 by 3? 1. 1 is also natural number. Fine. Second one, m is odd integer. It means you can take 1, 3, 5, this numbers only. Okay. What is the equation? M power 4, 4m square plus 11. It is divided by, they are saying 16. Integer means it is divided by 16. What is m value? You can take 1 now. 1 power 4, 1. 4m square means 4, 1 square 4. Okay, plus 11. 1 plus 4 plus 11, how much? 16. 16 by 16, how much? 1. It is integer. Second one also correct. Well, but I'll take one more case. We get doubt, actually this is complicated equation, so we get doubts. Say m equal to 3 now. What is 3 power 4 plus 4 3 square plus 11? What is 3 power 4? Gone. 81. Very good. 4 into 9, 36 plus 11. How much total it is? $128. Do like this, 80 plus 30 plus 10, 120. Extra things, 128. 128 divided by 16. Of course, 128 is 16 multiple. 16 how many times? 8 za. 16 8 za 128. Chalo, correct. Both are correct. Option C. So whenever such type of equations are given, nothing to worry. First read them. Okay, read the conditions properly. Especially in second one, what they said, m is odd integer. You have to take only odd numbers. Then just presence of mind. Substitute the values. Check the, do cross verification. That's all. Okay. They are not tough questions. There is a 6-digit number xy xy xy. One example, 1 2 1 2 1 2, 2 3 2 3 2 3. Such type of numbers are divided by which of the numbers? 3 7 only, 7 13 only, 3 13 37 only, 3 7 13 37 only. Try this question. There are two ways to solve this question. What are the methods? You can take examples. It should be in this form only. 1 2 1 2 1 2. You have to check every option. That is one way. Any answers, online people? C, B. One simple number. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Just go with options. Anyone can do in this way. I'll tell you another method also, that is also important. Just xy means 10x plus y, right? Same thing, xy xy xy. Y is y, it is 10x, 100y, 1000x, 10,000y, 1 lakh x. Okay, 10x, 1000x, 1 lakh x. How much? One zero one zero 10 of x plus 10,000y, 100y, just y, 10101y. What is common? 10101 is common. In brackets it is 10 times of x plus y. This is the final expression. Okay, now find out this number factors. 10101 factors. How to find the factors? Or else you can divide with those numbers. Divide with 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, total sum is 3. It is divided by 3. Check this 13. If it is divided by 13, fine. If it is divided by 37, it is also fine. It is your work. Just cross verification required, that's all. It is not dividing by 7. Seven is there in all the options except option C. Check this first. Check with 7 first. Simple. If it is not divided by 7, then answer is C. If it is divided by 7, then we have to check other options. Very good. Chalo, next one. That is your work. Make it fast, please. Three, 4, 5, 10. Options are like this. Hmm. 33m plus 22n is divided by 121. What is common first of all? 11 is common. In brackets it is 3m plus 2n divided by 121. 11 times. 3m plus 2n. It should be divided by 11. Right? What is there? Just 11 left. It should be divided by 11 means just equate to 11. If it is equal to 11, 11 by 11, it is divided. You can take 11 directly. 3m plus 2n must be equal to 11. Now try to guess the values of m and n. Guess the values. M equal to 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 into 1. N equal to 1. Is it okay? 3 3s are 9 plus 2 1s are 2. What is total? 11. Perfect. One combination. What is 3 plus 1? 4. Before answering 4, look at option A also. Why? Because they mentioned minimum value. Check any other possibility to get m plus n equal to 3. I think we don't get for any values. If m is 2, 3 2s are 6. N is 1. No, it is not possible. That's all. This is the minimum value. Okay, so what is the answer? B. Why I am taking 3m plus 2n equal to 11? Why it is not 22? Why it is not 33? You can take any 11 multiple here. This may be any 11 multiple. Why I am taking 11 is because they mentioned minimum. I want to take the minimum value. That's why we'll get minimum values for m and n. You can take 22 also, but you'll get big values for m and n. No use. While solving the question, every word in the question is important. Minimum, maximum, which of the statements definitely correct, which of these statements can be correct, definitely correct. There is a difference. Chalo, done. See, most of the questions are based on basic calculations only. Okay, we are not discussing any formulas here. Try this. consecutive even numbers equal to product of first 5 natural numbers. What is the product of first 5 natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the product? 120. Okay, sum equal to 120. 5 numbers sum equal to 120. Just find out what is the average first. 120 divided by 5. 24. Average is 24. They're consecutive even numbers. Average means middle value normally. So middle number is 24. Next number 26. Next number 28. This side 22. First number is 20. Middle number is 24. What they're asking? Largest. What is the largest? 28. Okay, now don't go with x plus 2, x plus 4, all this. Don't make the equations. When there are consecutive numbers, normally average is middle number. Chalo, very good. Next one. See, we have one more class on 2nd March 10 AM also. Chalo. Try this. I'll tell you first a few basics here, then you can try. Okay, so that you'll get some idea. See, something you can see, big number plus n is equal to m power 4. Okay, what they're asking, what is the least value of n? Okay, see, m power 4 means squaring again one more square, power 2, it becomes 4. In basic squares, everyone will say, try to remember 1 to 30 squares. Nobody will ask this question, sir. Nobody will ask. We have to remember few things. Perfect squares, last digits. Maybe 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 6, 5 square is 5. Or even number of zeros. Means 2 zeros you can see, 4 zeros you can see, but you will never see 3 zeros in perfect squares. Perfect square numbers will always end with 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. Okay? Suppose this number is given 20538. Square root we have to find. First of all, perfect square number will never end with 8, right? We don't get the value for this. Okay, na? Here also m power 4 apply square root, you will get m square. Apply square again, square root, you will get m. It means they taken m, then m square, then m power 4, squaring. Based on this property, what happened? 1 second. Based on this property, which property? Perfect square number should end with 1, 4, 9, 6, 5 or even number of zeros. Based on this property, you can guess the answer from the options. M power 4 is perfect square number now. It means this side has to satisfy these cases. Okay, na? Think logically. It is not complicated question. Think logically. You are saying A. Okay, very good. Excellent. Yeah, A is the right answer. A means option A, right? Excellent. If I take option A, 194480 plus 1, right? Number becomes 81. This is m power 4. What is m square? Square root of this number. What is the last digit? 1. You will be getting some number, leave it. But again that number ends with 1. 1 square is 1, right? Chalo, this is m square. What is m then? Again, square root of this number. Again ending with 1 means we will get 1 here. Okay, there is a chance for this. If you take 4 here, m power 4 is equal to 194484. Okay, m square means square root of this number 4484. Yes, of course we get 4. 2 square, 8 square, we get 4. Say some number. But what is the last digit here? 2. 2 square is 4. M square is ending with 2. What is m? Square root of this number ending with 2. Ending with 2 is not a perfect square number. That's why this will not work. No need to check this 2. Option A. We read this property, perfect square number will end with 1. Okay, 4, 9, 5, 6. Okay, this property is very, very important. How you apply in the questions is important. Done? Very good. Chalo. 11th CSAT question. This much time for this. You know squares and cubes. Age of x last year was square of a number. It will be cube of the number next year. Squares 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 like this. Cubes 1, 8, 27. See, last year perfect square number, next year perfect cube number. Last year to next year, what is the gap? 2. 2 years, right? Last year, next year, what is the gap? 2 years. Here, what is the gap? 27 and 25. 2. It means his age is 26. His age is 26, that's all. Last year 25, next year 27. Satisfied a condition? What they're asking? How many years he has to wait to become perfect cube again? After 27, what is the next perfect cube? What is 4 cube? Govinda. 4 cube means 64. His age is 26 now. After 38 years, he'll get 64 years now. After 38 years. He has to wait for 38 years. That's all. I think you are too busy with GS part. Too busy. No time for CSAT. Chalo. Read the question properly. XYZ is a 3-digit number where x plus y plus z is not a multiple of 3. So this number is not divisible by. You can take 1 minute time also, 1.5 minute time also, but your thought process is important. Very good. What is answer? D. D. Yours? C. Yours B. Yours A. X plus 5 plus Z is not a multiple of 3. You can solve this question in two ways. You can take one example, 124. Why I am taking 124? Because 1 plus 2 plus 4, how much? It is 7, not a multiple of 3. You can take 124. X, Y, Z, 124. Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X, 2, 4, 1. Z, X, Y, 4. Z, X, Y, 1, 2. What is the total? 777. Okay, na? 777, right? Total. They are asking total only. It is not divided by 9. 9 rule. What is the 9 rule? Sum of the digits must be 9 multiple. What is 7 plus 7 plus 7? 21. Okay? It is not 9 multiple. So it is divided by, not divided by 9. We have a clarity by taking one example. We are able to find this. No need to check other options. 21 is not divided by 9. It is also divided by x plus 5 plus z. What is x plus 5 plus z? 7. 777 is divided by 7, of course. What is quotient? 111. Remainder is 0. Of course it is divided. Of course it is divided by 3 also. What is 3 rule? Same. Sum must be divided by 3. 21, 3 multiple. It is divided. What about 37? Is it divided by 37? Yes, of course. We got the answer already. This is one way. Okay, na? Another way is traditional method. What is x, y, z? 100x plus 10y plus z. What is y, z, x? 100y 10z x. What is z, x, y? 100z 10x plus y. Sum. What is the sum? 100x x 10x 111 x. 10y 100y y 111 y 111 z. What is common here? 111 is common. X plus y plus z. This is the sum. Now 111 factors. It is actually 3 into 37. What is 3 into 37? 111 only. Into x plus y plus z. Sum is this much. Means sum is divided by 3. Sum is divided by 37. Sum is also divided by x plus y plus z. So 9 is not there. Here 9 is not there. That's why option B. Traditional method is always better for clarity. Finished? Everyone? Chalo. Apart from concepts knowledge, read them just with sense, common sense. Try to find simple methods. Okay. One page is removed from booklet, so they are from first page 1 2 3 like this. Sum of the remaining pages is 195. So what are the numbers in that removed page? If you remove one page from book, what happens? This side number, back side number, two consecutive numbers will be removed. Okay. So our bad luck, all the options are given consecutive numbers only. They will give consecutive numbers only. I'll give the hint. We'll remember this formula 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n. What is that formula? In the first question we discussed n into n plus 1 by 2. Use this. With this only we'll get the answer. Say 1 to n actual numbers in the booklet. This is the actual sum, n into n plus 1 by 2. After removing two numbers, what is the sum now? 195. It is given. It means this 195, whatever the wrong sum, is less than n into n plus 1 by 2. Agree? Why it is less than this? Why? Because two numbers removed. Sum will be little bit less than actual sum. If you count a number for two times, say for example 1 2 3 up to n, one more 3 is counted for second time, then 4 5 6 it is continued. In this case, this sum will be greater than this. When number is removed, it is less. When a number is included for two times, that sum will be more than the actual sum. That type of questions also they'll ask. One student counted all the numbers, but one number is included twice. This is the sum. They'll ask which number is counted for two times. Another model. Chalo, 195 is less than n into n plus 1 by 2. Now we have to guess n value. Guess sense is required. N value. I'll take 20. Just guessing m. Okay. If n is 20, what happens? 20 into 21 by 2, it is 210. Sum is 210. How I am guessing 20 directly? Why? Because this is 195. Something divided by 2 close to 200. 20 into 20, 400 by 2 means 200 only. That's why I am guessing 20. Okay. So what is the real sum? 210. Why we are taking 210 only? Suppose n equal to 19. 19 into 20 by 2. What is the sum now? 190. So 195 is less than 210 but greater than 190. That's why we are taking this. What is the gap between 195 and 210? Gap. Difference. 15. This difference is 15 because of two numbers. Because of two numbers. What are those two numbers? 7 and 8. Okay, na? Listen, a person is added first n consecutive numbers, but one number included two times. Then sum is 195. What is that number? Read it. One student counted, added all the consecutive numbers up to n. Okay, but by mistake one number he has taken for two times. Okay, in that case he got 195, which is wrong value. Which number he counted for two times? Same model. Answer is there here only. Very good. 5. Real sum is 190. He got 195. What is the difference? 5. So he did like this. 4, 5, by mistake 5, again 6, like this. That's all. Read every word carefully here. Consider all 3-digit numbers without repetition of digits, okay, obtained using 3 non-zero digits. Non-zero digits means, actually what are the digits? 0 to 9. Non-zero means 1 to 9. And the two, you have to take digits which are multiples of 3. It means use only 3, 6, 9. One example, one number is 369, another number 396. Like this, you will get so many numbers. Such type of numbers, sum is given. How much it is? Yes. So first you have to find how many numbers are there. Then you have to find sum of those numbers. Then check this. Sum is divided by 74. Sum is divided by 9. How many statements are correct? It's not that tough. Just have some patience. Try this, you will get the answer. Make it fast. CSAT is easier than we think. What is the first number? First of all, what are the digits? 369, right? Chalo, first number 369, second number 396, 639, 693, 936, 963, 15, 24, 27, 9, 36. Sum is 36. 3 carry. Same 36 you will get. Why? Because same digits. 36 plus 3, 39, 3, 39. This is the sum. 3996. Okay na? No need to check for 9. Why? Because 9, 9, 18, 6 plus 3, 9. It is divided by 9. Second one is correct. Check only first one. First one also correct. Both are correct. So option C. Such type of questions, we don't have any specific formulas and methods. Just go with normal flow only. Why? Because in some other questions they'll say simply digits are even digits. Even digits means 2, 4, 6 like this. Maybe you'll get different rule. Something is divided by some other numbers. It depends on the question and values. Okay. Chalo, very good. First one, second one. This one also excellent question. Chalo. Sum of 5 consecutive numbers can be 100. Is it true? How it is true? Average 20. Very good. 20, 21, 22. This side 19, 18. Very good. Actually, this much no need to check. I'll tell you one point. Sum of any 5 consecutive numbers is always 5 multiple. This is the fundamental property in numbers. You can take any 5 consecutive numbers. Sum is always 5 multiple. 100 is 5 multiple, right? True. The set can be. They are not saying always. Okay? Next one. Product of 3 consecutive natural numbers can be, again, see this word, can be equal to their sum. Again, this is true. Why? Product of 3 consecutive numbers, 1, 2, 3, product is 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3, how much? 6. True. They're not saying always. Okay? Option C. Is it clear? Chalo. See, actually x minus 2, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 2. These are 5 consecutive numbers, right? When you add them, minus 2 plus 2, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. X plus x plus x plus x plus x. What is the sum? 5x. That's why I'm saying it is always 5 multiple. Always 5 multiple. When you add 3 consecutive numbers, it is always 3 multiple. One second. What is given here? P into Q multiplied by 3. PQ multiplied by 3. Result is RQQ. Where Q and R different is, what is the value of P plus R? R is not equal to 0. What is the question? P plus R divided by Q. What is this value? You know tables, right? Basic tables. Up to how many? 5. Up to 5. LKG kids also know this. Up to 5. First class kids. At least minimum should know up to 20. Okay. For this question, I'll give the hint. Which table needed for this? Just 3 table. If you know 3 table, you will get the answer. 3 table only. So this is a challenge. Get the answer. Challenging question now. Three table. No answers so far. One answer came, 2. Any other answers? Two. Very good. PQ into 3. What is the result? RQQ. 3 into something, same digit is coming at this place. This is possible only when 3 5s are 15. 3 is multiplied with 5. Again you have to get same 5 here. This is possible only when 3 is multiplied with 5. Same digit here and here. So Q value is 5, right? P 5, 3, R 5, 5. 3 8s are 3 9s. You can take any digit. Same digit won't come. This is possible only when 3 is multiplied with 5. Okay? What is next? P5 into 3 something. What is the result? R5 5. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 5 here, 1 carry. 3 into something. 3 into P means 3P plus this carry 1. Okay, this carry 1. What is the result? Remaining number, how much it is? R5. 3 into something plus 1, result is R5. See the table. 3 6 are 18 plus 1, 19. No, we should get 5. 3 8s are 16. No, 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Yes, we need 5. It means P is 8. That's all. So 85 into 3 is equal to 255. This is given. What is the question now? P plus R. What is P? 8. P is 8. What is R? R is 2. Divided by, what is Q? 5. So 10 by 2 how much? Sorry, 10 by 5 how much? It is 2. Where is 2? Option B. You have to match with unit digits. 9? What 96? (96) into 3. Okay. 96 3s are how much? 3 6 are how much? 8. How these two are same? P Q Q Q. These two must be same. Okay na? Online people, any doubts, please ask me. You have to revise the concepts properly. We have one more session on Sunday at 10 a.m. again. Okay. And we are going to start one rapid revision course for CSAT also. 10 days course. In this 10 days, I'll be covering all the chapters concepts first, along with previous year questions. Then I'll be focusing on high impact topics also, like number systems, permutations, combinations, counting, percentage chapter. Okay, tricky questions, reasoning questions based on quant. Everything I'll be going to cover within 30 hours. I'll revise the concepts. Okay, Almost there are 4 to 5 concepts in every chapter. Apart from number systems, in remaining chapters maximum 4 to 5 concepts are there. Along with previous year questions, I'll be explaining best set of questions in best possible ways, simple ways, without using much formulas. I don't give formulas list also. I don't give, because that preparation method is not recommended. It is going to start from 6th, and one more session we have on Sunday. Sunday morning 10. We'll complete the remaining questions from numbers. Okay, anything else please ask me. Any doubts please ask me. Onliners, please, you can post your doubts. Outsiders, seniors, many say these words. IITians failed in CSAT paper. Yeah, they will fail. If they don't prepare, they will fail. That's it. Leave it. At the same time, other people also cleared this exam. No, non-maths background people. So why to worry? Just focus on your foundation concepts first. But depending only on previous year questions is not a good idea. Okay? Anything else, please ask me. We are going to start these sessions from 6th to 15th every day evening 5 to 8. Full rapid fire. Fatafat. Concepts plus previous year questions. I don't miss a single concept in entire CSAT syllabus. Anything else? Chalo onliners, thanks for attending the session. See you soon.